Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to download and install Thonny IDE, which is suitable for developing MicroPython scripts for Node MCU, ESP8266 or ESP32 or even Raspberry Pi Pico series development boards. Let's get started. So this Thonny IDE, just type in like Thonny IDE in Google browser and you can see the official link thonny.org, which is suitable for developing the MicroPython scripts for the relevant SoC devices which I mentioned before. So it is suitable for almost everything for developing the MicroPython script. So this particular Thonny is nothing but an Python IDE for beginners, which is suitable for developing the MicroPython scripts for ESP32, ESP8266, Node MCU, or even for Raspberry Pi Pico development boards. And you can download any version of this software, whether it is Windows, Mac or Linux, and the latest version of the software that is available is 4.1.7. Just hover over the text Windows if you are working on a Windows operating system, and you can see the pop-up display with 4 different variants. Among these variants, I am just going to download this installer with 64-bit Python 3.10. Just click on this particular link and get the download started. And as soon as I click on this particular link, you can see the download is started. Let's wait for a while. And I am opening the downloads folder. I think it is downloaded. That's it. The download is complete. The setup is ready in my downloads folder. Just double click on this Thonny 4.1.7 setup, and here in this particular pop-up, just click on install for all users or as per your need. Install for me for current user in the device. You can give whatever you want as per your need, as per your system requirement in that tab. Here in the first tab of the Thonny IDE, just click on next. Here select the radio button, I accept the agreement and click on next. Here if you want to change the directory of installation path, you can do that. For now I am just leaving it as the same and I am clicking on next and click on next. If you want a desktop icon, you can check this box right over here, else you can click on next and click on the install for starting the installation process of Thonny IDE. Let's wait for a while until the Thonny IDE is installed in my PC. The installation of Thonny IDE is done. Click on finished for closing the installation process. And when I search on Thonny, you can see the Thonny IDE is installed. I'm opening the Thonny IDE. And that's it. The Thonny IDE, which is a Python development environment, integrated development environment for various devices like ESP32, ESP8266 or even Raspberry Pi Pico, is installed successfully. I hope you learned how to download this particular software or IDE in this particular video. In the next upcoming video, we will set up this particular IDE environment for ESP8266, ESP32 or even Raspberry Pi Pico for developing the relevant MicroPython scripts for those development boards. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.